Chapter 10. Useful Measurements. In this lesson, measurement of length, weight, capacity, time, temperature. We need to measure a lot of things in our lives. We want to know how tall we are, what our weight is, how much cloth is required to make our jeans, etc. Your mother also wants to know how much rice she requires for cooking. We also want to know how much water fits into our water bottle. At times we have to measure our body temperature. We often need to measure length, weight, distance, temperature and time in our routine life. Here longer, heavier and more are comparing two similar quantities. How do we find out the length of the hockey stick, the weight of the tennis racket and the quantity of water in the bucket? We measure these in different ways by different things. Measurement of length. Length is measured in centimeters, cm, meters, m, and kilometers, km. The standard unit of measuring length is meter. Rulers, measuring rods and measuring tapes are used to measure lengths. Short lengths are measured in centimeters and long lengths are measured in meters. Very long distances are measured in kilometers. A ruler measures length in centimeters and millimeters. A measuring tape measures length in meters and centimeters. 1 cm equals 10 millimeters. 1 m equals 100 kilometers. 1 kilometers equals 1000 m. In earlier times, various methods were used to measure length. Some of the methods used various parts of the human body or to make measurements. These methods were not accurate because they varied from person to person. Hand span, cubit, foot span. Measurement of weight. We measure weight in grams and kilograms. We use a balance to weigh things. There are different types of balances. The vegetable cellulose is a common balance. Electronic balances are used by most shopkeepers selling pulses, cereals and sweets. We measure our weight on a weighing machine. Electronic balance, weighing machine, common balance. Light objects are measured in grams, g, whereas heavy objects are measured in kilograms, kg. 1 g equals 1000 mg. 1 kg equals 1000 g. Activity. Pick out a few packaged items in your house. Check their labels. You will find the weight written on them. Note down the weight. Examples: biscuit packet, soap, jam bottle, ketchup toothpaste, potato wafers. Measurement of capacity. Liquids like water, milk, oil and shampoo are measured by volume. Capacity is the quantity of a liquid which a container can hold. Volume is measured in milliliters, ml, and liters, L. Small quantities of liquids are measured in milliliters and large quantities in liters. 1 liter equals 1000 milliliters. Measuring cups, measuring cans and measuring cylinders are normally used for measuring the capacity. Measuring cup, measuring cylinders. Measurement of time. We measure time with the help of a clock. Time is measured in seconds, minutes and hours. 1 minute, 60 seconds. 1 hour, 60 minutes. 1 day, 24 hours. Measurement of temperature. We measure temperature with a thermometer. Temperature is measured either on the Celsius scale or the Fahrenheit scale. The average normal body temperature is generally accepted as 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, 37 degrees Celsius. In India, the Celsius scale is used.